Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to edit your account on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and everything about your profile. And also the search bar in the middle. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and edit your account on Zillow. So visit the Zillow website and log into your account firstly, and then click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select profile from the drop down menu. Click here and select your profile from the drop down menu, or of course go to your account. Then click edit button in the update your profile information. Make necessary changes to your profile, such as photo, contact information, and professional details when you click on profile. Then, once you made your updates, click save button to finalize your changes. So basically, you just need to go and save, and that is basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.